Welcome to Lagawe in Ifugao, and welcome to Antro on Foot's walking tour. This is a self-paced walking tour that features key heritage sites and cultural highlights in the area. We hope you enjoy this tour as much as we enjoyed curating it. The name Lagawe is derived from the term lagwi, referring to the flower of the local plant runo, otherwise known as taliktik. It is believed that this runo plant proliferated in the valley of Wigan. The legendary ancestor of the Ifugaos, Removis Bango, the local name for a hunter's backpack made of woven rata, and appeared at the Ibolo cliff, causing water to flood the valley. Lagawe is centrally located in Ifugao province, bordered by Jardín Nueva Vizcaya to the east, Kiangan to the west, Hingayon, Banawe, and Mayoyao to the north, Aguinaldo to the northeast, Kiangan to the south, and Lambot to the southeast. Ifugao was known for its remarkable rice terraces, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The construction of these terraces dates back over 2,000 years. The Ifugao people ingeniously carved these terraces into the mountainsides to cultivate rice, showcasing their advanced understanding of agriculture and water management. The Ifugao society traditionally had a hierarchical structure. The community was organized into extended families, and leadership roles were often held by influential and respected individuals. Ancestor worship and rituals played a significant role in their social structure. Animism and polytheism were central to spiritual beliefs of the Ifugao people. They believe in a pantheon of deities and spirits inhabiting natural elements such as rivers, mountains, and forests. Rituals and ceremonies were conducted to appease these spirits and seek their favor for a bountiful harvest and community well-being. The Ifugao were not entirely isolated. They engaged in trade and cultural exchanges with neighboring communities and tribes. The exchange of goods as well as cultural practices and traditions contributed to the richness and diversity of their way of life. The Ifugao people have a strong oral tradition, passing down their history, myths, and the legend through generations. Elders played a crucial role in preserving and transmitting this knowledge orally, ensuring the continuity of their cultural heritage. Like many indigenous groups, the Ifugao face occasional conflicts with neighboring tribes. They developed defensive structures and strategies to protect their communities, contributing to the construction of communal forts known as pugos. The arrival of Spanish colonizers in the Philippines in the 16th century marked a significant turning point in the history of Ifugao people and the region as a whole. The influences of colonial rule, Christianity, and subsequent historical developments have shaped the modern cultural landscape of Lagawe and the Ifugao province. In 1910, Lieutenant Jefferson Gallman, the inaugural American military governor, established the governmental center for the sub-province of Ifugao in Kaingan. Burnay, known as Lagawe, was one of the municipal districts. With the establishment of the Commonwealth government in 1935, the National Assembly approved Commonwealth Act No. 3888 on June 18, 1935, creating the municipal district of Burnay. The initial formal election took place in 1951 during President Elpidio Quirino's tenure. The Burnay Municipal District was renamed Lagawe Municipality on June 18, 1961, and became a regular municipality on June 25, 1963, marking the foundation of Lagawe as municipality. The municipality encompasses a land area of 332,000 hectares across its 20 barangays.